Our next speaker is Fonny Bunjamin. She's the founder and CEO of VESTIS LABS, and one of her goals is to use 3D to reduce the number of physical samples to make it easier to iterate and prototype designs. Welcome on stage.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you very much for the opportunity today to present VESTIS LABS. I'm Fonny, and I'm the founder of VESTIS LABS. So I love fashion. It's a beautiful, creative, and dynamic industry. And I've immersed myself in the fashion industry for more than 15 years. But after these long years, I've seen firsthand its inefficiencies, wastefulness, and also slow adaptation to digitalization, and I want to change that. So at VESTIS LABS, we have a mission to make the fashion industry more efficient, transparent, collaborative, and also future-ready. So we have talked a lot about the challenges that we are facing this morning, and totally on point and totally agree with all of the challenges that have been said. But I want to highlight also the challenges that propelled me in starting this venture. First is the slow digitalization. So we live in a very digital world today, but the fashion industry is still lagging. Much of the industry is still slow in adapting new technologies and still rely heavily on outdated tools. There is scattered data information and inconsistent data management. Not only that, the product development process still involves excessive multiple physical samples being created prior to production. Also, the complexity in the supply chain make it challenging for fashion brands to be truly transparent, which is the basis for sustainable and circular business practices. And to wrap it up, currently, there is still limited availabilities of digital solutions out there, which is accessible and affordable. And this is slowing down digital adaptations, especially among the SMEs, which makes more than 95% of the fashion industry in Europe. So we need a new way forward, and this is where VESTIS LABS comes in. So we provide a digital solution which is simple, practical, and accessible. We help brands to make to work more efficiently, enhances transparency, and also facilitates circular business model. Our business is divided into two main parts. One is the digital product development service, and secondly is the integrated digital collection management with features such as digital library integrated on the platform as well as digital ID. So we have very exciting features on the pipelines as well, such as the automated certification management and sustainability and transparency tool to help brands prepare for the upcoming legislations. So our digital product development service is integrated onto the platform. We focus on creating digital assets which are fit for productions. That means we embed the garment construction skills onto the workflow, making sure or bridging the gap between the physical and digitals. Also, by doing digital product creation from the design phase, you can reap the full benefits of digital product creation. On average, we are able to reduce the sample, physical sample by up to 70% and sample cost by up to 50%. So our digital collection management platform is an integrated solutions built on modular system to make it flexible and scalable. Brands are able to visualize and manage their designs in 2D and 3D, manage their materials, product development process. They have a centralized communication and collaboration tools to be able to communicate effectively with internal and external teams. The platform is user-friendly, doesn't require an IT team, and requires only minimum onboarding. Brands have full control of their data as well as level of access. So the digital library is also integrated onto the platform. Brands are able to manage their materials, digital assets, integrate all the suppliers' database, including their certifications and credentials, onto the workflow from the design and development stage. So beyond storage, the digital library also acts as a digital hub, connecting brand suppliers and different actors within the ecosystem, so that they can collaborate and share resources, as well as turning this into a robust digital ecosystem. Now, our digital ID features also directly integrated onto the platform, so onto the product level. So this minimizes the need for data transfer from multiple sources and also minimizes the integration time and costs. Each product will have an automatically generated unique ID where detailing all the entire product journey. But more than this, more than increasing transparency and traceability, this actually increases connection and engagement. Post-purchase, the end consumers are able to connect themselves with the garment, increasing their relationships with the garment, with the suppliers and brands, and also the makers. These connections increases the value of the items and also the utility of the items, unlocking new opportunities and possibilities such as easy access for repair and end-of-life solutions such as resale, rental, or recycling. On top of that, brands are able to collect and gather invaluable insights, pre-sales and post-sales, such as product performance, durability, consumers' behaviors, as well as consumers' preferences. So we have time, so I'm going to quickly show a video. If you can play the video there. So this is one of the projects that we did with a new circular brand. And, you can start by scanning a digital data carrier. It can be QR code. You can start telling the story of the fabric, then connect yourself post-purchase and engage with the garment, and as well as, any other initiatives that the brands can have post-purchase. Thank you.